Thank you for your choice of our VELTOP Mobility 5 model. The protection consists of the following items: an instruction of mounting a front fixation on the basket, screws and black spaces, a high windscreen and a low one, a back fixation on the headrest or on the square tube under the seat, a tube structure to steady the canopy, a canopy, a pair of side panels with their catches to be fixed on the armrest, and an Allen key. Before, remove the basket and its support. Insert the black spaces if necessary to keep at bay the plate of the central console. Fixation of the plate with the help of the 2 or 4 screws according to the model of the basket. Replace the basket on its support. Put in place the high windscreen into the black connectors and then tightened. Install the low windscreen on the tube structure onto the velcros. For the back fixation on the headrest, put the 2 plates between the 2 vertical tubes as high as possible, then tighten solidly. For the fixation under the seat, screw the square vertical tube on the plate in such a way that it is installed in the middle of the seat. Then, insert the piece with the welded plate on the square tube under the seat. Fix and center the tube of the armature on the top of the brackets at the back of the seat. Connect the different tubes to assemble the armature of the canopy. Put the canopy in position on the structure by inserting the front part in the U-tube. Push up the zip inside the structure and fix the back part with the help of the velcros. The canopy armature should be situated between 1 and 2 inches from the windscreen. Push the 2 ribbons onto the armrests. Install the side panels with the help of the zip from back towards front and connect the fastener on the side panels. In case of bad visibility, push down the windscreen to obtain a side window. According to the weather conditions and your wishes, different options are possible with the protection. After several weeks of use, the total of the screws should be retightened with the joint Allen key. Clean regularly the windscreen to ease the outflow of the water. Use a soft cloth or humid cotton to avoid a scratching of the windscreen.